pie, Dee. A cutie pie. Oh.
Manners, oy.
Manners. No manners. What do you say? Please. You have to come here then. Dong, come here, Dong. Yakult? Yakult no lolo boy.
Not only me.
You have to shake it first. Shake it, shake. Oh, I have to open it for you. Forgot.
The one is the
Breakfast time. Leftover. Brunch. 10:30. Murag na yung ilak sa taas eh. Wala na. Si Dan to or work?
Dito sa Sunday, balik siya. Yung nagwanto mo, palit niya. Kaunan niya sa mga. Nabagot ko yung matulit yung pang-subag. Bawag ang galawa yan.
Sabi na aman doon mga iladay. Ihatag sa inyo mga dito to.
Pero maingat pag ako yung tanaw sa... Di ko yun.
Or sa car to.
Or may nagin. Fresh yun.
Ito na kailangan kayo talaga.
Ako lang ko ba?
Ibang yun.
Maabot ko doon ka ng anak mo. Nagwat ako sa nagluto. Tuban ba?
Check the boss. Check the boss daw.
Ikaw na.
There she is. John's birthday. Do you want to go to the house?
Why you bullying it, man? Say goodbye to Lokis. Now!
No! Tita Win!
Di pwede. Bye-bye.
Mukha na ni Tita Win. Magbalik na siya.
I see that face and it shivers.
Say goodbye to my enemy. Hi to your favorite tita. Yeah. Who's your favorite tita? Tita Witch.
Give a hug or you're eating a lollipop today.
Yeah.
You got 5 seconds.
Oh,
He's on the cheek. He's on the cheek.
kiss.
I did wish I would have done.
Oh, kiss. Oh. Bye, Dan. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh boy, you've got some nerve to call my name, call my name. After all this time, you should be so ashamed, so ashamed. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it. 'Cause I'm so over it, over it, over it, over it, over it now. Every second I try to give you everything, 'cause that's just what I like. So why you always wasting all my time?
Cheeseburger for me. You gonna drive na yan?
On the road to my soul. I've been trying to fit into my role. Don't expect
Paglami
me, so let's decide. Leave it up to chance and I'm a forfeit. I don't wanna be the one if you gon' torch it. Hear you calling out my name, but I ignore it.
Good. First time natin dito. Ay. You like it? finally here. Ah, my Lord. Exactly 30 minutes tinatawagan ko yung SA services. Yung book natin. Let's go. Magna-night shift pa ako. Let's do this. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. We are gonna go for a dental appointment today. So I'm just doing a little bit of makeup. Gagamitin natin itong Dalba UV Essence Waterfall Tone Up Color Correcting kasi mainit sa labas. We're only a few days before sa ating biyahe papuntang Pilipinas, guys. Pero the reason why dito ako magpapadental appointment is because I have the highest medical coverage currently. Kasi sa aking egg retrieval or egg freezing, so kinuha ko yung pinaka-highest na bupa coverage na. Magpapa-cleaning ako ngayon. Gagawin ko siya dito. Usually ginagawa ko siya sa Gaok in Cebu. And nagpapa-filling din ako doon. I usually spend, the last time na na-spend ko doon is 15K ata, 12 to 15K. Nasa ganun. So sabi ko, dito na lang ako magpapa-cleaning kasi nga covered naman siya. 600 nga yung coverage ko. Malaki yung binabayaran ko kasi every fortnightly or every monthly. Hala, ang puti. Every fortnightly. And then I am planning the next year is iiba ko na yung aking insurance kasi nga ang mahal ng binabayaran ko ngayon. I'll take the opportunity na gamitin yung mga extras because they will renew next year. So mawawala yung lahat ng mga extras ko. So sayang naman. So gamitin na natin before sa aking flight na kahit na gusto ko sana mag-pack ngayon, sige na lang. We are ready, guys. I actually received a call na pwede ako early pumunta doon. But I just wanna make sure. Pasensya na sa kalat sa likod. Nagre-ready na tayo sa ating paglayas dito. Para sa ating paglalakbay. Sa ating bakasyon. So yung mga damit ko, nire-ready ko na ng konti. Anyway, inaantay ko lang si Michelle na dumating. Kasi wala siyang keys. Pero they said I can come in early. Yung appointment ko sana 3:40. But I can come in ngayon na daw. Which is mga 3:15 pa. Ayan. Ay, nako Lord. The madam is still not here. Time check, 3:33. I really need to go kasi appointment ko 3:40. So, mag-message lang ako kay Michelle na hindi ko na siya maaantay. Tawagan natin. Hello? Day! Akong appointment kay 3:40. Guys, tapos na yung ating dental appointment today. Ginawa nila is nag-cleaning sila, nag-x-ray, tapos may ngipin dito, nag-filler, and then dito, nilinisan ng maigi kasi may discoloration daw. Tapos, after nung appointment, nakita ko na, may discoloration din pala dito, pero hindi siya na-include. Hindi ko din alam kung bakit hindi niya sinabi na, dapat mag-fillers din ako dito. Anyway, yun nga, I paid 320 for my appointment today, which is super expensive. Anyway, we have a package, guys. This is from YesStyle. So, this has been sitting here for like 2 weeks na siguro. Hindi ko man na siya na-open. We will open this one and see kung ano yung na-receive natin this time. I am gonna be doing a night shift today. So, dapat madaliin na natin to para makapag-relax. Ay, ang dami na naman. I'm so happy. Oh, I have the same brand from last time. Let's open this. Goodness. Moist Repair Oil. Ay, ito yung kailangan ko sa aking buhok. So, meron akong na-receive nighttime repair, pero I think I really need a repair oil for my hair. So, I'm gonna try this one. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Japanese brand. And you know naman na mga Japanese brand magaganda. So, this one. I'm so excited to try this one. I-try natin to later kasi I'm gonna wash my hair. Ay! Wala! Salamat naman at meron ako. Ang ganda! Very good kasi nawawala na talaga yung aking mga hair clips. Maganda to kasi pupunta tayo ng Pilipinas para sa ating bakasyon. At ang dami kong binili na ganito sa Vietnam trip natin. Tapos naubos ko talaga na wala talaga lahat. Ano ba? Let's bring everything up. Meron tayong peel shot na, uy, very good. Wala na akong toner, guys. I mean, paubos na yung toner ko. Ginseng tea na toner na maganda din talaga. But I'm so happy na meron naman tayong ito try, which is good kasi rice toner. So, it's not gonna be too harsh sa ating face. Meron siyang rice bran water, H and AC vegetable ceramides G. I'm so excited to try this one. Ito, yung gusto ko talaga, guys. We have an eye gel patch. Very relaxing sa ating mata. Tapos may ano pa siya, vitamin C enriched na formula. So, ito. Dadalhin ko to sa Pilipinas. The next one is I'm super happy about is the Sunstick, guys. This is the matte Sunstick. Meron na akong ganito. Let's open it. Ito yung kinikip ko sa car. Tapos, yung isa na from another brand, yun na lang yung naiwan kasi ito nga is naubos na. Pero ito talaga yung binibili ko before. This one. Bigay ito sa akin ni ate from the last time and I'm telling you, maganda siya. Yan. So, matte kasi yung finish niya. So, even if you have like makeup, very shiny na yung noo nyo kasi nga sobrang init, naging oily na, ilagay nyo lang to siya sa face nyo. Tapos, may SPF pa. So, this is the best one. So, happy. Napaka-timely nito para sa ating Pilipinas na trip. Dadalhin ko talaga to. I'm so happy. Next one is, we have oh my God, di ko basa. Tir. O tir. Mask Fit Waterproof Setting Spray. Now, meron pa akong setting spray dyan. So, I think it's gonna take a while for me to try this one. Pero, let's see. Baka matry natin. The last one is a blush. Tamang-tama. Alam nyo ba guys, yung blush on ko, sobrang expired na noon. Sobrang expired na ng aking blush. And I have products from YesStyle that's gonna arrive, I don't know. Feeling ko after December 21 na. So, hindi ko siya matatry talaga. Marami akong binili doon ng mga makeup actually. Kasi, yung mga makeup ko expire na. Tapos, ewan ko ba, hindi naman ako sobra talagang mahilig sa mga makeup. So, hindi ako bumibili ng bago. So, ayan, this is a blush on. Let's try this one right now. Makita nyo agad. Sorry, I have to wear my glasses kasi hindi ko naman kayo makita. Oh, meron siyang konting shimmer. Uy, ang easy niya i-glide. Kahit kamay lang yung ginagamit ko, easy pala niya i-glide sa mukha. Ooh, okay. Para super creamy niya. Pasensya na meron akong paparating na pimple. Ayan. Oh, I like this one. Tapos gusto ko din kasi maliit lang. The brand of this one is Pink Flash. Tapos ganito yung itsura niya. Maganda, no? Basta ang siya, ma-creamy talaga siya. And this is how it looks like. Parang siyang my flash. Ayan. Ay, gusto ko to. The last one that we have is Dr. Althea 345 Relief Cream na Mist. So, meron siyang rice brand water panthenol din. So, yung mga rice brand at mga ganyan, maganda daw yan eh. So, this is good kasi it's a mist. Especially right now, Diyos ko Lord. Kung na-open ko to kanina, ginamit ko na siguro to. Kasi the temperature outside is 38 degrees. Sobra talagang init, guys, na pag... Ay, nako. Sasakay ka lang sa sasakyan, sobrang init ng leather na seat. Tapos, kahit nga yung manubela at saka yung gear, sobra talagang init. Buti na lang hindi malayo yung ating biyahe. It's just like 3 minutes away from the house. Yung ating dental appointment ngayon. Ayan. I feel like kaya hindi masyado na-maintain yung dental health ng mga tao, no? Because of how expensive it is. Like, meron na nga akong, gold na yung bupa cover ko. That's the highest. Meron pa akong extras na 600 for that. Sa dental coverage. Tapos, for my appointment today, I still spent like 320. Like in total, 740. If hindi gold yung coverage mo, how much lang ika-cover ng
ng insurance. So, sobra talagang mahal niya. Kaya maraming pangit yung mga ngipin. Charis. Pero tama talaga, sobrang mahal. And how much is it in the Philippines, di ba? Oh well. Hindi na tayo magka-compare. Uy! Ganito yung itsura niya. Itry nga natin. Uy, my God. Hala. Sus, ang ganda sana nito, guys. Kanina, napaka-refreshing. Relief Cream Mist. Ganda. Sana may SPF ka. Wala siyang SPF. Pero yun nga, very hydrating, very calming. Uy, gusto ko to. So again, this is from Dr. Althea. 345 Relief Cream Mist. Ayan. Sobrang init. Ganun mo lang. Mukha. So that's the products that we received from YesStyle, guys. If you are interested in any of the products, i-leave ko sila sa description box.
Please don't forget to use my code RICHZIGS21. Plus, you can also use my coupon code ANGEL15, valid from December 23 to December 26, and you will receive up to 20% off, no minimum spend. So what are you waiting for? Check them out.
I feel like this one is gonna be my favorite. This one too. Tapos, alam nyo ba, mas ano na ako ngayon, mas tinatry ko na talaga na i-try ang mga products na na-receive natin. Kasi before talaga, hindi ko sila natatry. So ngayon, I'm really like making an effort na i-try yung mga products. Kasi sa dami naman din nila. So that's pretty much it for our YesStyle box this week. This is good. Eh? This is good. This one.
Let us try this one, guys. Yung ating na-receive from YesStyle. Let's see if magiging okay ba yung buhok ko kasi sobrang buhaghag talaga ng buhok ko. I will show you kung ano magiging itsura niya pag fully dry na siya kasi mas okay na lagyan siya ng oil pag dampa yung ating buhok. Hopefully this works. I will give you an update later. Siguro this morning.